Hola, hello, hey y'all, this is Saria from JustSaria.com, and I'm here to chat with you today. So I get the question, how do I start yoga? A lot. I get it a lot. And it's actually very exciting for me because it means that there are a lot of people who are beginning to become interested in yoga and want to start their journey. So I'm actually happy to be sharing this video with you. And I have 5 tips or ideas to keep in mind when you want to start your journey and how to do it. So, number 1, drop any preconceived notions that you have about yoga, right? So a lot of people think that they have to be flexible to start yoga. Wrong! Some people think that yoga is just for women or it's really feminine. Wrong! Neither of those are true. You show up as you are. Yoga is like church. Come as you are. It doesn't matter where you're starting. It doesn't matter what skin color you have. It doesn't matter your athletic ability. You show up to your yoga and let it serve you wherever you are. So that's the first thing. Whatever you think about yoga, positive or negative, just get rid of it and just start with a neutral mind about it. Start from there. You'll be good. Dos. Intentions. Figure out your intention. What do you want to gain from yoga? Is it you want to be more flexible? Maybe you're looking to change up your exercise routine and you want to throw something else in there. Maybe you want to zen out. Maybe you are looking for something that's a little bit more spiritually aligned or spiritually focused. So figure out like your main goal for wanting to try yoga, because that will help you to figure out what type of yoga or what type of class to start with. 3. Your comfort level. I'm trying to remember this in my head and it's only 5, but I keep forgetting. 3, your comfort level. So some people have no problem with starting a new class, showing up at a yoga studio or gym and just starting from where they are. Some people are not that comfortable, and either is okay. So your comfort level is going to help determine where you want to start with your classes. So for instance, you might be okay with going to a yoga studio for the first time and that doesn't intimidate you, but there are a lot of things about working out in public and starting new things in general that are intimidating to people, but they do have online options. So that's a good thing. It doesn't matter your comfort level. Just figure out where it is so that it can help you to have the best first experience as possible. The best possible first experience. There you go. Number 4. My fingers are long. Number 4. Do your research and start to prepare. So once you figure out, what you want to gain from yoga and your comfort level, then you can start either reaching out to yoga studios or even gyms that offer yoga classes, or you can start doing your research to find classes that are offered online. There are subscriptions or companies that offer classes by certified yoga instructors that you can purchase online, and once you purchase it, it's kind of like just buying like a DVD. Like once you buy it, you have it forever. It's on your computer, it's yours. But then also YouTube is a really great option. There are very knowledgeable instructors on YouTube and you can get a pretty solid workout there. Some cable providers also have exercise type videos and yoga videos in their free or extra section, like on the on-demand portion of the TV. So do your research, call around, figure out your starting point. It's very wise that if you are going to go to a class or a yoga studio to call beforehand and tell them what you're looking for. Mention that you're brand new so they can help point you in the right direction as to which class might be best or most appropriate for you. And then clothing and accessories, right? So some people feel like they have to run out and buy all the expensive clothing and all the expensive props and stuff like that. Not true. And honestly, if you're just starting out, I would advise against putting a whole bunch of money into it just in case it ends up being something you're not really interested in, or you don't keep up. So I would err on the side of caution with spending a whole bunch of money on your stuff. So you can get a really cheap mat, really affordable mat from Walmart, Target, maybe even Dick's, Five and Below have $5 mats. They're a little bit slippery if you get sweaty, but it does not hinder your practice. I actually practiced on those mats for years before I bought an expensive mat. I honestly just bought an expensive mat this year, and I've been certified for like 2 years. So don't break the bank. You can get cute and affordable and like pretty solid workout clothes from Goodwill or thrift stores. I love thrifting. It's my favorite thing to do. You can get cute stuff from Old Navy. They're always having sales. Walmart is on the come up, Target. So don't discount those places. You also don't have to buy anything new. If you have tights or if you have any athletic wear that's comfortable already, that will work just as well. Loose clothes, not too loose, because as you're moving around, your clothes may be shifting. You don't want to flash anybody, but just make sure that you're comfortable. You can get an inexpensive mat. And that's pretty much all you need to start with. And if you're at home, you don't even need a mat. You can just practice on the carpet or even a towel. So don't break the bank. Be smart about that. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Act. You don't have any preconceived notions about yoga. You're going into it with an open heart, an open mind. You know what you're getting out of it, or at least you have an idea of what you're looking for. You have established your comfort level. You've done your research. Now you just have to act. So just sign up for a class. They have a lot of drop-in classes too. You might want to check your community center. Sometimes there are free classes there. If you live in a city where there is a Lululemon or just any other yoga studio, sometimes they have community classes where you can make donations. Donations are encouraged, but if you really don't have any money and you can't afford it, it's okay to just show up and try yoga for free. That's what they're for. They're community classes. So just act. Grab a friend if that's going to make you feel a little bit more comfortable. If you're home, 10 minutes a day is enough. You don't have to sit down and do this for an hour, especially if you're just starting. Just enjoy yourself in it. Just start. That is all you have to do. So act. Get out of there. Or get out of there. Get out of your house. I don't know. Just start. That's all I have for you today. 5 ways on how you can start your yoga journey. I hope this was beneficial. If it was, please share it, like it, subscribe, all that, YouTube talk stuff. Yeah, and if you have any other ideas for things you want to hear about or learn about, let me know. I'd love to start making more content based on what people need and want to hear. Thanks again. Hope to see you on here soon. Adios. I'm out.